In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download and install data packs onto your Minecraft worlds. Now, though I won't be able to cover every single data pack because there are very many, I will teach you guys just the general idea on how to get it done and how to accomplish it. I will say though, if this video helps you at all, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because that helps me out as much as I am helping you guys out. With that said though, I'm just going to jump into the video because nobody likes long intros and we'll just get this started. And just a tiny disclaimer before this tutorial gets started, this tutorial is meant for Java users only. I do specifically go over Windows instructions, but Apple product is also a feature. If you guys have any problems with that, let me know in the comments down below and I'll try to help you guys out. But this does not work for Bedrock, Pocket Edition, any other types of versions. Alright, so starting off, immediately when you Google Minecraft data packs, there are actually many websites we can come and go to. Some websites such as Planet Minecraft that host tons of different data packs. Some websites as 9Minecraft that host a ton of other ones. But for this tutorial today, I'm going to be showcasing 3 data packs that I actually wouldn't mind getting that look pretty darn cool. I will say links will be down in the description if you guys want to check out any of these data packs or websites. Now, when installing data packs though, there's something that is very similar about each and every single one of these, and that's going to be the fact that we have to know how to get into a certain folder in which to put the data packs themselves. In order to get to that folder, what I usually tell people to do, and this is a good way to do it, is you'll go down to your taskbar right here and you're going to type this right here. It's going to be %app_data %, and then you'll press enter. This will open up a folder right here that should have a folder that says .minecraft. If you haven't installed Minecraft yet, that folder won't be there. We're gonna go ahead and click on into that, and if we scroll on down to our saves right here, once again, this won't be here unless you've already installed a world. We'll click into our saves folder, and you can see right here a list of some of the worlds that I have created. Now, real quickly, for the sake of this video, I'm actually gonna create a new world because I don't wanna use any of my old past ones. So real quickly, you can see this is my list of worlds. I'm going to create a new world, and I'm gonna title this Data Packs Tutorial. Now, you can have this be named anything you want, obviously, because this works on any Minecraft world. And I would say that this is a pretty good world for testing, just a random seed generation. Now that we got this though, we're actually going to go ahead and exit out of Minecraft. So once you have the world that you want, in this case, Data Packs Tutorials is the one that I want, you're actually going to want to go ahead and click into that folder. Inside that folder, on one of these options should be Data Packs right here, and we'll click into this folder right here. Now that we know how to get into this, we're going to come back to this a little bit later once we've got some data packs that we want. In the case of today's tutorial, I want a hat data pack, that's a version 1.17 plus. On the vanilla text page, I want a graves data pack where it spawns a grave when a player is made and stores their items. And I also want a furniture data pack on 1.17, 1.16.5 on the website Minecraft 9 where it adds furniture to Minecraft itself. In order to download these, they're each going to have kind of their own specific sort of download options. For this one, Planet Minecraft makes it pretty obvious that you're supposed to just press the download data pack button. Then in this bottom left right here, you can see the download has happened and it's occurred and we've got it. For the vanilla tweaks downloads, you can select multiple downloads that you want, but for this tutorial I only want the grave. So once I have this selected right here, there's a download option. We'll go ahead and we're going to press that. Sometimes the downloads do take you to ads and ad focus. When that happens, you just want to wait for this countdown right here to go down, and once it happens, press skip and it should confirm the download in the bottom left right over here. And then finally, for the furniture data pack on Minecraft 9, we're going to click on it, and if we scroll all the way to the bottom, for these ones they usually have right there the data pack download. So we're going to go ahead and press on this link and it will take us to yet another ad website. We're going to go ahead and press download, and that will download the data pack in the bottom left. But for this specific data pack, it also requires a resource pack. So we're going to go ahead and press download from server 1, and right here it will give us the download option to download our resource pack. So right now we're downloading that as well. When it's all said and done and dusted, you should see right here in your download tab a bunch of the downloads that you've gotten. As you can see, I have some other downloads that I've just had from a while back, but I do have all the data packs that I do want. Now, when installing each of these data packs, they each have very specific ways, and this is where I'm going to go ahead and mention that I actually have a Discord. Since I can only cover a few data packs in today's tutorial, I thought it would be a good idea to go ahead and mention that I have a Discord in which I actually help with this sort of stuff if you guys ever need the help. Right down here, we have a help tab, and even though there's some interesting pictures in here, I do help people pretty often just in the Discord on trying to download data packs that they want to download. Now, if you guys do want to just contact me through the comments, I'll do my best to help you on the YouTube comments as well, but the Discord link will be down in the description if you guys do actually need a little bit of extra help. Anyways, the way I say that is that all data packs are usually different the way that each user has installed them, because these are created all over the place by so many different people. So now that we've got all the data packs installed, we're going to go specifically to the hat data pack and follow the instructions. So for this one, it actually says right here how to install the data pack that it has a bit of a different way of actually being downloaded. It says you extract the downloaded file, open it, choose the appropriate language version, and put it in the data packs folder. So one thing that it does say we have to do though is extract the hat by DADAC folder. To do that, we're going to right click and then press extract all. Now some of you guys might not be seeing that option, and that is because some people don't actually have the extract all option enabled on their computer. Some programs that you can use to get around that and get that enabled for you is 7-Zip if you're using Windows, which you could go ahead and just press this download link in the top left to go ahead and get the extract all button option. Or another extract all option I would say is WinRAR, which you can use for a lot more different types, different compatibilities of computers and whatnot. And right there, there's a download WinRAR option. Once you have one of those downloaded, you can go ahead and right click and you'll either get an extract all button or you'll get an extract all via WinRAR option. But all you want to do is left click it because the instructions for this specific data pack told us to do so. We'll go ahead and delete the zip folder, and right here you can see this is the folder that it wants us to go, and we're going to go ahead and click into it. Then we're going to click into it, and right here it says the English version and the Polish version. Now looking back on the data pack, it said just choose the appropriate language version and put it in the data packs folder. So for me, I do speak English, so that's the version I'm going to select, and we're going to go back into the data packs folder. By doing that, we're just going to press %app_data% like I showed a little bit earlier in the video. Then we're going to go into .minecraft, we're going to go into the saves, and then we're going to go into our test world, the data packs tutorial, into the data packs folder where we can just go ahead and pick this up, move it right on in to this folder over here. Now, one thing I might not have mentioned as well, when doing data packs and stuff like that, the data packs are only going to affect the world that you've put them in. So in this case, my data packs tutorial, it's not going to affect any of my other saves, but I thought I should mention that just for further clarification. Now that we got the hat data pack done, I'm going to go ahead and just delete it from my computer now that it's actually installed on our data packs tutorial world under data packs folder. Let's move on to the Vanilla Tweaks data pack right here. So we're going to go ahead, and now that we got the Graves data pack downloaded, we're going to read the instructions. It says, when a player dies, a grave is made at their location containing all their items. Right-click grave to receive your items and crouch to make it up so only you can pick them up. This one doesn't actually have instructions on the actual website. But if we look at the data pack right here, you might notice that's called Vanilla Tweaks Unzip Me. Unzip is the same thing as extract all. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to extract that folder because that's what it tells us to do. Then if we click into the folder, you'll see there's the Graves data pack that we want. All we have to do for this one is simply click it, drag it over, and put it in our data pack. Most data packs, unlike the hat, will actually not have to be unzipped and extracted, so they'll usually have this kind of zipper icon on the folder. Usually though. I'm going to go ahead and delete the Vanilla Tweaks now that we got it installed, the folder and the zip folder. And like I said, this is just so how important it is to check each data pack you're doing when you're installing it, the instructions, because sometimes they're a little unique. Now that we got the Vanilla Tweaks data pack installed though, we're going to go on to the furniture data pack, which we've downloaded right here. One thing I will say is that data packs specifically like this that are a lot more complex will usually have certain instructions that are special to it. Right here you can see in order to craft these new items, you need to create a special crafting table first. To do so, you need to put down a barrel and then drop a normal crafting table on top of it. So make sure to be very careful when installing these data packs because there usually will be different instructions. Now, if we go down though right here, the instructions say that we just want to download the data pack and then eventually we just drop the data pack compressed file you have just downloaded into that folder. So we're going to go down to the data pack that we have downloaded, not the resource pack as indicated by this RP, and we're just going to simply drop it into the folder right there. For the resource pack too, I might as well show this in case you guys ever have resource packs that come along with the data packs. If we just go ahead and type %app_data% right here, it will bring up our folder again that we're so used to at this point. We'll go into .minecraft and then there should be a resource packs option right here. We'll go in there and we'll drop the furniture data pack resource pack right there inside. Now that we've got all of that done though, we've installed the data packs. What we're going to want to go ahead and do is look, because each one usually has a command that you must type in order for the data pack to function. Right here in the hat data pack, it says /trigger hat. That would be the command that we would use in order to get the data pack working. In Vanilla Tweaks, it's right there. It's /function graves config. And in the furniture one, all we have to do is simply do a /reload command. So now that we've got all that that installed, I'm going to go ahead and exit out of these folders, and I'm going to open up Minecraft and load it on up. Alright, and now that we are in our world right here, I'm going to rehash this one more time. With data packs, they're only going to go into the world that we specifically have them in, which in this case is the data packs tutorial world we made earlier. These data packs will not apply to any of the other ones that we have down below, unless you repeat this process and put all the data packs in the correlating spot. So now the nice thing is, at this point, we do have all the data packs properly installed. We just have to run commands to get them working. And in the case of the furniture data pack, we have to enable our furniture data pack so that everything comes out properly, at least for the resource pack. I meant to say resource pack, whoopsie. So once again, after looking at the hat data pack, which is the one we want to try out right now, we're going to want to go ahead, and the command was /trigger hat. In order to access the commands, if you guys have never done it before, you can either press / and then backspace just to get into the taskbar, but you normally just press T, the letter T on your keyboard, and then you'll press Control V and copy and paste the command that the data pack has told you to do. So right there, I went ahead and I pressed the enter key, and it says an item is put on the head. Now the way that this data pack works, if we were to go ahead and look back at the instructions again, which we're not gonna, it said that in order to get this command to work properly, all you have to do is have a block in your hand and then run the command. So in order to get this data pack working, I've gone ahead and I've got a tinted glass in my hand. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trigger hat, and look at that, an item is put on the head, and now we've got this working. Look at this, we kind of look like an astronaut actually with the tinted glass on our head. Of course, you can actually do this with any other item or block for this thing. I believe, let me go ahead and try it out. Yeah, so right now I got a mushroom on my head as well. So you guys, if you wanted to get this specific data pack, could have fun with this. I mean, if I really wanted to, I could put a diamond sword even on my head if I wanted to. That's a cool part of having custom data packs like this. But now that we got that data pack on, we are going to go ahead and we're going to test out our other data pack that we had, which was the graves. If I remember correctly, what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to do / and we're going to type in function, and then we're going to do space graves colon, and then we're going to do config. And this is just to go ahead and see that all the options that we have for this specific data pack. What we can do is if we press T, we can go ahead and mess around with pressing these certain things, but the data pack is actually loaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some items on me just to demonstrate the capability, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do /kill@p, which is a command to kill me. Right here, you see since I died, it says your last grave is at -152, 72, -119 in the overworld. So we can fly on right over here, and right there is YoMeister238. There's my grave. If I right click on it, all my items are in it, and I get all my items back. So this data pack is actually really, really handy for when you die and you don't want to have to lose all your stuff. It saves it all and puts it in a nice little block for you, and is super, super helpful. Now the last data pack that we have was the furniture data pack, and the only command that it said to do for that one specifically was the /reload command. So we're going to go ahead and reload it, even though it should already be loaded up. But right there you can see furniture by Mannequin version 1.2 for 1.17. So now that we got that, the specific recipe said that what we have to do is we have to get a barrel and a crafting table as well. Once we place the barrel down, which I'm going to place it putting up because that's how they did it, you throw a crafting table on top, and it becomes a special crafting table that we can now place down that has this little bit of a lever on it. In here, there's actually a bunch of special crafting recipes that we can do. So using this crafting table, I've gone ahead and I've chosen the best crafting recipe I could find, which was actually a toilet. You can see right there. Originally I used smooth nether quartz, but then I got this right. Look at this. We've now got a toilet. Oh my gosh, and you can see a llama for just a second, but right now it actually allows us to use it. Although the data pack is a little bit strange, it does actually work. We got the toilet down. Now another crafting recipe that we can actually try out with this data pack is a basalt table. So now that we got this, we'll go ahead and we'll place down a basalt table right there, and as you guys can see, we've got this. Which I will say that it's a little bit glitchy, this one that I've been using so far. As you can see, it does put down an actual spruce trapdoor, but that's what it should look like. And then just for fun, we're gonna do one last one, and that is, if we do this recipe right here, a frying pan. With this frying pan, we can go ahead and place it down on the table, and you can see, I don't think it actually cooks anything or not, but it's a frying pan. Oh, that's really odd. I middle clicked it and it's actually a string, which is really cool though. I don't know. I wonder if it actually serves a function. Nope, you can't place beef on it or anything like that. But this has been a tutorial on how to use data packs. Once again, there's so many out there, and I'm sure there's going to be tons of questions about tons of different data packs that you guys would personally like to install. If you guys go to my Discord, you can always contact me there, or you can contact me through the comments, whichever one works the best for you, though Discord does make it a lot easier for me to help you out. I hope you guys did enjoy today's tutorial. If you did, make sure to give me a like and subscribe, because that really helps me out so much, and I'm helping you guys out. So you know, you can kind of see it's sort of like a I help you, you help me sort of thing. But in all honesty, enjoy life, guys. Enjoy Minecraft as always. Enjoy these cool data packs that we can now access and now have a tutorial for. I'll see you guys in the next Minecraft video, whatever that may be. But until then, just enjoy it all. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, video, whatever we do. Ciao!